Welcome friends. I'm at the back end of my Joomla page and this is what we got. So I'm going to replace these images. I want to show you how to do that. So I'll go to systems. From systems I'll go to site template styles. From site template I'll click on the theme. And from here I'll click select, upload new set of pictures. I'll click on HR. So I'm picking this first one. So I want this to replace that one. And I'm going to change this to HR. So I'll click on this. That is done. So I'll click save and close. So I'll come here and refresh. So I have new setup. So you can see the picture is not looking too bright, but we can use Photoshop.Pro to get this picture up. So this is nice. So now I'm going to add something on top of this. So let's look at the template. So I'll go back to systems. I'll go to site templates. Then I'll click on site template preview. This is the space that we are using for, and this is the top. So but you see right on top here we can add 1, 2, 3, 4 items here. So what are the items do we want to add here? Moodle position 00, Moodle position 01, Moodle position 02, Moodle position 03. So we can put something directly on top here. If you check most sites, you have something like phone numbers can come in, and even the logo of the social media icon. So let me just show you some things you can do there. So for example, so I've seen my model position 00 to 03. So I will go to, I'll return back here. I'll go to systems. Then I'll go to site model. Then I'll add a new model. So here I'll click on custom model. So the first section, what do I want the first section to do? I can use just the first and possibly the last section. So here I can put, maybe I can say call this phone/email contact will be on top here. So what is the position? The position will be, I'm going to the same module position 00. So what do I want to put? So phone, so I'll type my phone, so 234-803-5142-552. I have that. Then I can say email will be something like email.com. So here will be phone. You can still style this, so I'll just click save and close. So if I refresh this now, you see that, okay, so that we see phone and email contacts. This is appearing here. So but I can still split this. Okay, so I'll tell it not to show this heading, but it can show the phone number. So let's see what we can do with this. So I will go back to phone and email contact. Then I'll tell it not to show the title. Then let's do only phone for now and see how that space will take it. So I'll cut this off. So I think this should be only phone. Then I'll click save. Save and close is if you want to get out of this environment, but you can just save what you've done and still leave the box open in case you want to make changes. So that's how it's coming out. but I'm thinking I could also remove this phone. I could also remove the phone, and if I don't want it there, so I have my phone number here, or I have my phone number, then I could do the second one, then I'll call it email. You know, all these things can be styled. For example, before the phone, I could put a logo of a phone, so maybe I'll just download that and add. So let me just do the second one. So while we are still at the module, I'll click on new module. I'm clicking on new, again custom module. So this one will be email. So this will be email, and I'll paste that email here. So this is going to be module 01. Module 01, based on what we saw, module 01. So it should not show the title. Now click save. I refresh this so you can see the email is here. So, but what I could do would be to style this. Could style this, you know, could style this. Then at the far right, what do I want to put at the far right? This social media icons will come around here. Okay, so let me get some of the icons. Let me get some of the icons, and I will now rearrange this. Looking at this, I've gotten an email icon, I've gotten phone icon, then social media. So I'm going to work on this social media. So I'll take this one out. I'll import the social media icon. I downloaded all this from the internet. So I'll make this smaller. I just want it to be on one line so that I'll be able to put it together. So I'm taking all this together, but normally I should take it separately so that I can create links. But I just want it for now. I want it to be together. So that's what I have. And then I can crop the excess side out. Then we now export it back as social media SM. So I can now fix this on my website. So I'll go back to my Moodle. Close this. So I'll return to where I have phone. So I'll open to the phone module that I created here. I'll just click here. Then I'm going to import that icon inside here. So on clicking here, I have the option to bring in an item. So let's see. This option here is to insert an image. So I'll click here, and image source general. Okay, so I'll show you how to bring the images to your system. So you go to media. Then media, I've just click on images. It's an image folder. It's called images. So you click on upload. Then you can bring in all the images. So I'm bringing one, and I'm bringing the second one, the third one, and of course the fourth one. So note the extension. So this is phone.png. This is phn2.png. While this is email.png. So having done that, then I can now return back to my system. Then I return back to site modules. These are the site modules that I will now call up. So notice that this phone, let's bring this out again. So you click here, then open up here, then click here. So here source is images. Source, where is the image? Slash. So I'll do phone .png. Then I'll specify the system is giving me an idea of the distance. If the height there is too big, so I'll reduce this to something smaller. So I'm through with the phone. I've added an icon to it. So I'll click on save and close. If I refresh this is how it's coming out here. So you can see how it's coming out. So I'll do the same thing for email. So I'll go to the email. Then for the email, I'll click here. I'll click on the email. Then I'll also insert. So this is images slide email.png. So I'm going to reduce this. So you have to reduce it to the size that you know will be fine. Shouldn't be too big. So I can move the words a little. And we still further reduce it. So that's for the email. Let's click save and see how it's gonna appear first. So I'll come here and refresh this. And that's the email. I'm going to add. So I'll add the. So I'm going to create. Let's close this. Save and close. I'm going to add I'm going to create another one for my social media platform. So I'll click on new again. Then I'll still pick custom module. The custom module, what you see is what you get. So it enables me to social media, bring in exactly what I want. Then I'll say don't show this. Then here I will just click. Then I will bring it by using the link socialmedia.png. I'm right, that's how it was. No, socialmedia.png. Socialmedia.png. Was it JPG? JPEG. JPG. So JPG. So I can go to the media to also confirm that. So I'm going to reduce this so that it will not be too big. That's what I have. Then here, this is going to be in map position 03. Map position 03. That means I'm not using 02. I've used 00, I've used 01, I've not used 0. So 03 will be at the far right. At the far right. So let me refresh this so we see what I'm talking about. So that's how it is. That's how it's coming out. So what happens if you feel this is too close to the edge, you can bring it over here. Or so but that's how it's coming out. So you can create a link to all this. So I've got this. I also want to increase this option a little. So I'll close this. Then I'll go to my email. Then I could just draw it open a little. Then click save and close. Then I'll refresh. So that's how to put something on top of that. So this is how my site is coming out. It's coming out nicely. It's coming out nicely. So the next thing I'm going to do will be to open up, create another, add some pictures here. But so far, what I've been able to do is to show you how to open up another model right on top of that. So let's save this first. Then we'll now add another model under. Thank you for listening.